The next thing we're going to do is we're going to use the template chooser and we're going to choose a design. So what we're going to do is go to File, New from Template Chooser, and notice you've got different types of templates that you can go through to select whatever the project is that you're doing. We're going to be creating a letter. So let's go and choose the traditional letter. And I'll close the one behind it. And I'm going to tell it to not save. So now we have our letter. Now, what happens is I'm going to increase this size. If you look down here at the very bottom where it says 125%, I'm going to increase that so that you can see it. And let's go up to about 200. That'll help you just a little bit to be able to see better. Now, notice on here, when you pull up a template, it is going to give you preset items that are on the screen, which we can choose to delete. So the first thing I want to do is I want to go in and highlight. So let's all highlight and delete. And that right there, that little box is called your header area. So we're just going to leave it blank for now. Let's scroll down. And what I want you to notice is see how the date automatically puts it in there for you. And no, we cannot read what's going on in there because it's in a different language. That is just a template to show you the setup or the layout of a letter. And if we go to the bottom, this is our footer area. So let's go ahead, take that information and delete it. We'll put something else in there later. Now, the first thing that we're going to need to do is let's take out the title. So highlight and hit your delete key twice. Delete the company name because we're just going to be typing a letter and we don't need that information in there. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a letter up for you to type. This one's already done so that it's easier for you. So I'm going to go to File, Open Recent. And right now, what I would like for you to do is to type this letter just as it is. Notice that the date, I put a couple of spaces in there. And I want you to notice that there are two places that once you type this letter, I do want you to type it with the misspelled words so that I can show you that. Notice the word congratulations is misspelled and it puts the little red dots underneath it. That means there's something wrong. We have separate paragraphs here because we're going to do something different with that. And then this is also misspelled. So if you'll take a few moments and type this up. And then once we're done with that, then we will start to format the letter.